Okay guys, so we have finished the first question of this exercise 4.3 in our previous videos. Then now we have the question number 2 here. So question number 2 says find the roots of the quadratic equations given in question 1 from above by applying the quadratic formula. So equations are same which we had done in the previous video, question 1, and we have to find by another way is like using the quadratic formula. So we know what the quadratic formula, right? So my quadratic formula, I have to write down. So formula says that x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so this is my quadratic formula. Now we have to find out, we have know that this the coefficient of x square, this will be my a. So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 3, right? So these are the values we can figure out from my equation. Now I'll substitute the value. So x is equal to minus in and minus 7 will become plus 7 plus minus, and then b square will be 7 minus 7 whole square. So 49 into 4 into a is 2 and c is 3, then divided by 2 into 2. So that is my value. So x is equal to 7 plus minus, here I have 49 and minus 24, and this is equal to 4 here. Okay, so now my x is equal to 7 plus minus square root of 25, right, by 4. So I have 7 plus minus 5 by 4. Okay, so 7 plus 5 by 4 and 7 minus 5 by 4. So this gives me 12 by 4 and this gives me 2 by 4. So this is 3 and this is 1 by 2. So these are my answers. So we had to find the roots, right? So answer would be the roots are 3 and half, right? So these are my two answers for the roots. And see guys, we have been using different ways to solve my quadratic equations. So first we did by factorization in the previous exercise, right? And now in this exercise we are doing by first part we did by the method of completing a square, and this we are doing by my quadratic formula. Let's move to second part. Second part is 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. So we know here that my a is equal to 2, the coefficient of x square, b is equal to plus 1, the coefficient of the middle term or x, and my c is equal to minus 4, right? So that is the constant term of the equation. So again I'll write down x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, now let's substitute the value. So x is equal to minus b. So my b is 1, right? So it will be 1. Okay, let me leave it. So 1 square, 1 minus 4 into a is 2 and c is minus 4 by 2 into a. So 2 into 2. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus, and I have this as 1 and it will be plus sign and 32, right, divided by 4. Okay, so now x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root of 33 by 4. So now I can just see x is equal to minus 1 plus root 33 by 4, and it would be minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. So these are my two roots, and you have noticed that if we did in the first question the same equation by a different method, completing square method, so that time also we got the same answers, right? So these are my answers. Okay, third part. So third part we are comparing the equation with the general form of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? So my a is equal to 4 and my b is equal to 4 root 3 and my c is equal to 3. So we are comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now my formula or quadratic formula is b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so let's substitute the values. Minus b is minus 4 root 3 plus minus. Now b square will be equal to 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 4 into 3 by 2 into 4. Okay, so my x is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus minus. See, now this becomes 4 square will be 16 and root 3 square will be 3, right? So minus, and this is 48, this divided by 8. Okay, so now x is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus minus, and here I have 48 minus 48, so this would become 0. So x is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus minus 0. So that doesn't make any sense. So my answer will be minus 4 root 3 by 8. So this is equal to 1 and 2 times. So this, my x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So both are equal roots, minus 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. So this equation has two roots which are same or equal, we can say. Fourth part now. So fourth part says 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. So comparing with the general form of equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. I know my a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 4. Okay, now my quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, now let's substitute the value. So minus b is minus 1 plus minus. Now b square becomes 1 and minus 4 into 2 into 4. Okay, by 2 into 2. Now I have x is equal to minus 1 plus minus, and this is equal to 1 minus 32 by 4, right? So now I have x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root minus 31 by 4. Okay, so this value, this is root minus 31, right? That will be an imaginary value, right? So there is, so as root of minus 31 is an imaginary value or number, therefore there are no roots for this equation. Right, so this is my answer. Okay, so we are done with the second question of this exercise now, and we'll do the next questions in the next video. So see you guys.